The steam is coming up right at me. It's giving me a shrimp facial, facial.
You said what now?
Woo woo woo!
Yeah.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Mucho excited. Thank goodness. Whoa. How are they?
Welcome to Tequila Town. Population.
Yeah? How is it? Tequila Town. Won't you take me to Tequila Town? And we have chips. Oh, and they're warm. Delicious.
I've never seen people go after Tequila Island.
This is our second basket.
Onions, tomatoes, cilantro, salt, and lime, alright?
Oh, amazing. You just go to town.
So it's going to be medium with everything then, correct?
Yes.
Wow, watch carefully. Wow, you're so fast. I know, I'm just like, what?
Hold on, wait. There's avocados in those?
I feel appreciated.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the? I'm so impressed. Wow. Canadians are so easy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Seriously though.
Alright.
Oh my.
Go ahead and try that out, please. If you need anything, go ahead and let me know.
Amazing.
And how is that? Does it need anything? Good as is?
Wow. I just got goosebumps. Thank you.
Have a great day and enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, you guys' faces were awesome. Come on.
That was so rad. No.
That's so good.
So good. Yeah. Thank you. That's good. Thank you so much.
The tortillas, okay?
Oh, so good.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Sorry, guys.
Now it's like right at my face. The steam is coming. I know. The steam is coming up right at my face. It's giving me a shrimp facial, facial.
You said what now? Alright guys, time to do some mass eating.
Try this. I'm gonna give, oh my God, you a piece of this because it is so good. That is incredible. Right? Okay, you're gonna have to probably eat this off the fork here too. FYI. I think I'm gonna get that next time I come here. I just have to remember what the heck it was. Like, holy moly. That is good. So good.
Holy hell.
Yeah. I think Jim might want to bite. Right?
Yeah.
He's like,
Right?
oh, yeah. Look at his face. He's like, I'm eating the
guys,
that Julia gave me and I'm really disappointed. Like, I want to eat what Julia's eating. That's probably gonna, I don't know, that's a bad bite. That is so good. It's so good. Like, I'm really happy about this. I know. I don't even know, but it's so good. Is it? It's the free things. It was this one, Flautas platter. Did you hear what I said? There's something. There's something.
We just had dinner where?
Tortilla Jo's.
Oh my god.
So good. So good. We had the tableside guacamole.
That was delicious.
So good.
And awesome to watch make.
Yeah. The people there. She was pro. It took her like under 30 seconds. Yeah.
With all the ingredients pre-chopped, it was pretty it was a little easier, but that was some awesome. What happened there?
She's getting a little too close. She's stepping on my shoes. Closer.
But no. Awesome.
Closer. Come closer. Come closer. Oh, a little too close. Too close. Too close.
Okay, whatever. It was a great meal.
That's from Aladdin. It's Aladdin.